In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Pump.fun meme coin successfully. To get started, the first thing you need is a Solana compatible wallet. This is essential because you'll use it to create the token and approve all related transactions. Some popular wallet options include Phantom, Solflare, and Backpack. Choose the one you prefer, set it up carefully, and make sure you securely store your recovery phrase. That part is extremely important because if you lose access to your wallet, recovering it can be difficult or impossible. Once your wallet is ready, the next step is to add SOL to it. SOL is the native token of the Solana network, and you'll need it to pay for token creation and network fees. You can purchase SOL from a crypto exchange, then transfer it into your wallet. It's also a good idea to keep a little extra SOL available since you may need it later for additional transactions or updates. After that, go to the official Pump.fun website. When the site opens, click Connect Wallet, choose your wallet provider, and approve the connection. This links your wallet to the platform so you can move forward with creating your coin. Before you create the meme coin, take a moment to prepare all of your token details. You'll want to have your coin name, ticker symbol, logo or image, and description ready. You can also add optional items like a website, an X or Twitter link, and a Telegram link. This is where branding matters. A unique, memorable identity can make your project easier to recognize and share. Now you're ready to create the coin. Click Create Coin, upload your logo, and enter all of your token details. Before submitting anything, review everything carefully. Double check spelling, formatting, and links because some details may not be editable later. Taking an extra minute here can save you from avoidable mistakes. Next, launch the token by reviewing the creation fee, confirming the transaction in your wallet, and waiting for the Solana network to process it. Once the transaction is confirmed, your meme coin will be live and available for trading. After launch, verify that everything appears correctly. Check the token name, ticker symbol, logo, and any social links you added. This helps ensure your token looks professional and that users can find accurate information. From there, focus on promotion. Many successful meme coins grow through strong community engagement. You can share updates and build awareness on platforms like X, Telegram, Discord, TikTok, and Reddit. Stay active and interact regularly with your community. Finally, monitor performance by tracking metrics like market cap, trading volume, number of holders, and community growth. Using charting and analytics tools will help you understand how your token is performing over time and where to improve.